Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2016 Audi Q5 3.0T on the channel. Let's fire it up. This one seems to be in really good shape for its years. Let's go take a look outside. Now, I have driven a lot of the 2.0T versions of the Q5 in this generation, but this is one of the very few 3.0s that I have driven. This is the same engine that you get in the A6 3.0T, but this one is slightly detuned. So in the back, you have some good materials. They are soft to the touch. I'm 6'2", and there is a good amount of space here. You can also adjust the incline a bit of the seats. This is perfect. Spacious. Got the cup holders. We have this huge panoramic sunroof. Overall, very, very solid. No complaints. We have a large and spacious trunk, a pocket, an outlet. You can fold the seats. Spare tire. Now with this motor here, just a simple stage 1 tune, and you can definitely pump out an easy 350, 380 horsepower without any major upgrades. So if you just want it to be detuned, not to be detuned anymore, just flash it and you'll be good. Also good quality materials, memory seats. So hopping in here, we have an adjustable armrest. I do like this, the way that they used to design these interiors. A lot of nice buttons, a small but informative touchscreen, your telephone, media, navigation, your glove box. Let's see, this is very Volkswagen-ish, like this knob. It just gives such strong VW vibes. Lighted visor, auto dimming mirror. Let's do washer test and horn test. Backup camera, typical Audi fashion. The resolution ain't the best, and it does have some distortions on the side, but you can still see what you gotta see. All right, let's go take this Q5 on a drive. One thing that I always liked about these Q5s is how instant they are with these superchargers. Like, the pickup is so quick. You just tap the gas and it's going. There's no delay like in the 2.0T. Oh yeah. This is so good. Like, you know, this Q5 means business right away. Ain't no joke. What's even crazier is that a few years ago I actually filmed a 2016 Q5 3.0T. Was a white one, but unfortunately something happened to one of the files and I wasn't able to post the vehicle. Although it was a good video. So the seating position here is really good. You sit up high, you can see everything around you. We got gigantic side mirrors. Everything is so easy to see here. It's great. Perfect ergonomics, so you put your hand over here, your hand can rest here. They really did a great job with this cabin back in the day. And you got your speed right here, you got your analog and your digital. So it was a nice little mix of both worlds. Now once they went into the next generation with the 2017 and up, I'm sorry, 2018 and up, they started using the S-tronic DCTs. So even the base 2.0T engine with its increased output was already pumping out around 6 seconds, like low 6s from idle and higher 5s with launch. So it was already performing incredibly with the base motor. Handling is so playful here. It's good. Look at how agile this car is. It's also super gluey to the road. Once it claws into the road, it's just so stable and planted. It's insane. I think these were one of the coolest engines that Audi has put in these cars with the supercharger. They have such a nice whine to them when tuned. So now let's go hop on the highway and see how this car feels. Another thing that I've noticed with these Audis throughout the years is that you just don't feel any speed in them. They really hide that sensation with how good their suspensions are and the soundproofing. Excellent power. Lots of low and pull. Also, there's something attached to the window on the right side, so that's the reason why we have this wind noise. It's not because of the car. So effortless. It's insane. Well, now is the perfect time to do a quick 0 to 60 test and see how quick this Audi is. So, some really impressive times from this Audi. Especially in the wet weather. You know, the crazy part is this car actually feels much quicker than the numbers suggest. It just has so much effortless mid-range torque. And it's so pick-uppy. It's insane. Excellent driving dynamics. But when you look at the numbers, it's actually crazy that the new X3 30i with 258 horsepower post times just like this car, if not better. You know, this is a really cool Q5. They don't make them like this anymore with a 6-cylinder without having to go to the SQ5. And it's very easy to drive. Excellent steering, lots of acceleration, plenty of power. It's lovely. I think a stage 1 tune here with the TCU tune, I think would just absolutely knock it out of the park. And there's so many more mods you can do with this motor here. You can change the pulley, add other bolt-ons. There's a ton of potential here power-wise. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And till next time.